What's up, guys? This is quite disappointing on my gaming channel. So yeah, that's kind of disappointing, but right now we're doing Candia Tech, not Candia Gaming. That was my last one, and we are going to show you how to install APKs without developer mode. As I'm fixing to show you, I'm gonna get Minecraft APK. We're just gonna find it. APK's hub looks official. Don't do nothing that doesn't look official, like a, I don't know, like a site that looks sketchy. I've used APK's hub. I trust it. And as you know, I do not have Linux, or I have Linux enabled because you need it, but I do not have developer mode. And I hope my mic's better than it was last time. So you know it's not gonna let you open it. It might say open, but when you click it, it's not gonna work. You're just gonna click settings. You're gonna click right here in this advanced arrow. Scroll down and click developers. If you don't already have Linux, turn it on. You're gonna go to develop Android apps and enable ABD debugging. Here's why. You absolutely need it. This is absolutely needed. Oh, you can close out of this tab after that it gets done downloading. I will share this doc in the bottom of the description after not this one. This is something else. Anyways, this is a school account. Give me a minute. Let me find it. So, basically, this doc I'm about to go on is provided by Erwin Tech right here. I'm gonna copy it and put it in the description below. And this is actually provided by, what did I just say? Erwin Tech. So you're gonna click the search key on your keyboard, and you're gonna scroll down to the terminal. Not text, my bad. I'm fidgety. Terminal, I'm used to it being over here, but it's actually down here now. You're gonna click Penguin, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna unfull screen this, and you're gonna make it smaller so it can fit the terminal. Hold up, I might have to resize mine. You might not have to do this. I just don't have no space. Because I don't know why, but I just don't ever do. Give me just a minute while I resize my lens sticks. This is a small Chromebook, so doesn't have as much, because it's taking forever to start up. Alright, we're just gonna use all the spaces on my Chromebook, I guess. Ew, that loaded fast. And so what you're gonna do, we're just gonna full screen it actually. You got that open. You're gonna copy this first one all the way. Click copy. And now to do it on here, you can either 2-finger click or you could Control Shift V and enter. You would wait on this. It might not do all that. Now you're just gonna copy this, all of this, the second one. Control Shift V, as you know. Ooh, it's running an app. Oh, well, this pops up. You're just gonna click this right here. And what app is this? Oh, system out. You're gonna click check that, and you're gonna click allow. And if it does it again, you're just gonna keep doing that. Might take 2 times, and you're gonna do this next one. But before you do this, you're gonna click the launcher, and you're gonna scroll down to files. You're gonna go to your files. You could just search it. It might be faster, just right there. You're gonna go into your downloads, go into your recents. It might be easier. It'll be at the top. right here. You're just gonna right click it and you're gonna rename. Just name it lowercase m, and this makes it easier. Now you're just gonna copy ABD install, nothing like that. Just gonna space Minecraft. My bad, I accidentally right clicked. See, this is for Minecraft. You might see something like this. All you do, you just come down. Give me a minute, it might be in Erwin text. I know it's in here somewhere. Yeah, I messed up something. Give me a minute, because I know there's another one somewhere. Oh, here it is. If you're getting error saying this, oh no, that's something else. We need to run this command again because it says something about no. Yeah. Oh, I'm already connected, so let me see. Oh yeah, I forgot. You're gonna have to. If you seen where I did a good, like, bad error, please comment down below. Let me find it. We have to copy it to our Linux files. And it should say something like this. It might take a while, I don't know. Oh, and when you enable ADB debugging, it's gonna restart your computer. Mine didn't because I already had it on. And I'm a developer, so. And it's always gonna say there might be apps that's not approved by Google at the bottom when you sign in. It does that all the time. It's just because that pops up don't mean it's done. You gotta look down here. It should say complete right here when it's done, and then you just click dismiss like that. Close out of your files app. Now we're gonna copy this again, APK install. Oh, I see what I did. So I accidentally forgot the L. And if you see this, more than one device emulator, mine be doing that too. Just gonna copy this one, ABDS emulator 5554 install whatever. But make sure not to get that space in between there. You're gonna type that yourself just to make sure. Just put the file name in, click enter. It'll say performing steamed install. You just wait. You just stay in the screen, don't do nothing, and you will get a pop-up pretty soon. Right here in the terminal saying that it's done. Oh, I need to resize this real quick. You might not have to do this, I just have to do it because, well, I'm not gonna have enough storage for Minecraft because my Linux is too big. Give me a minute. Let me make this smaller. Let's do that. We're gonna resize. We'll see. Alright, we got 1.5 gigs. We should be good. Wait for this. We could check our launcher, see if it popped up yet. It hasn't. It's still loading. You can just swipe that away. You might not have to do that depending on what type of Chromebook you have. It might be better than mine. Ooh, I bet that mic sucks. It always has. You just wait. And if you get any errors like, hold up, it's a success. So you would go in here and I'm just gonna, oh, it's right here. Here it is. You just click on it. It might take a minute to load. Boom, Minecraft. You can just close out of this terminal after you get that. And it is free, by the way. I got this like 100% free. This might be the beta version. It don't matter though. It's still Minecraft. I played all the last time. I like the beta anyways. Excuse me. I'm having a little cough. Need to get that checked out. Anyways, I haven't loaded into Minecraft yet. As you can see, I just installed it. I'm getting lines across the screen and stuff because I don't know why. It's because my Chromebook really sucks, but you might have better experience. That's because my Chromebook sucks. Yours might not. And mine's kind of pixelated, and it's always been like that, and it'll always be like that forever. I don't think it's the beta, so oh well, it's the original. Beta is for testing. Mine's laggy and pixelated because it's always like that on every game that I try to run, except for like games like, well, Android games. Mainly because I got these Linux apps that I need to delete, like this Minecraft Bedrock. It doesn't work. I've tried it. It does all kinds of stuff. Yours might be faster at loading. Mine's just laggy. This video is probably laggy now. And if you get something like permission denied or command not found, run this command again. ABD start server, or ADB, and then do this command again, the connect command. If it tells you to kill server, just do ADB kill server, and do the second command again. It says no such file. Joel will check that the file is in your Linux folder, as I had the error. So yeah, that is it for today's video on APK files, no developer mode. I'm gonna give everybody access. And yeah, peace out.